2018 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, remote start, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, advanced technology package, compass, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster, heated front seats, fog lights, trip computer, brake assist, power moonroof. Come take a test drive today.